Day 64. Alright, the table saw is set up. Working on cutting the 2x4s to 2x2 so that we can work on those trunks, ductwork, and the steel beam. So the steel beam would be covered as well. Gonna put some wood blocks inside and then go with the 2x2s. And the electrical work is almost done. So the plugs are gonna be on the different breaker, and then the light's gonna be on the different breaker. All right, so this looks fine here. So looks cool. Yeah, it looks cool. All right, this part is covered too. We do have access over there, as you can see, and this is not covered. That's good. All right, this part looks good too. So everything looks fine. So it's good. So I can call my plumber so that we can attach the shower base. And this part looks accessible as well. It's good. We can work on it. So it's good. Yeah. We do have enough room inside. All right. So looks like they did a lot of work today. So we're gonna have recessed lighting. So the recessed lighting would be on that side, and then we'll have to cut a hole for the furnace HVAC system ductwork. This is how it looks like so far. Looks cool. Alrighty. Day 65 and 66, continue working on the basement framing, and got some stuff from Home Depot. I got nails and the screws for the outlet, 2-inch, and the nails for the frame, and then silicone caulk for the drywalls. Day 66, so we finally got our windows, even though it's ahead of schedule. So we are actually 2 weeks earlier. This is our new windows. It looks so cool. I love it. Seems like they just put the windows in, and they're gonna be working on the casing and what do you call that? Caulking. Alright, so this is how the new windows look. Yeah, I love it. I love it. It makes it so much nicer. It looks better than the steel ones for sure. So let's see the quality of job they do. Once they're done, I'll evaluate. This is the bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Wow. Bedroom number 3. That looks so nice. It looks like they will be using this seal it. So alright, so to recap about the windows, everything looks good for now. I'll check it later once they're done, and I'll post more pictures and videos. Alright, so let's check out the basement. Okay, so this is how the basement looks like now. Looks like they worked on the trunks, ductwork. Okay, so looks cool. So let's check the other parts. Alright, Looks like it's ready to be drywalled. Alright, so this is the bathroom. It's a huge bathroom. Now I can look at it and tell how much space it's got here. So still wondering about putting a bifold door over here. It's better to put a bifold door, but there's another option to put like access panel. So I'm gonna have toilet over here, vanity, and the shower pan over here. Looks cool. So they did work around this pipe, gas pipe. Alright, so the initial plan over here was to make it along the stair. But now they put these 2x4s, so now we'll have to frame it all the way. So I'm still thinking about covering this place up. I think it's gonna look good, hopefully. Okay, so the wires are done. Okay, so yeah, now we have to cut the trunk for the HVAC here, so that we can have possibly two over here and one over there in the bathroom registers. All right, so I didn't use spacers because I don't have space left here. When they cut the backsplash hole here for the outlet, they cut it too thin, so I don't have enough space to put the spacers. So but this one looks good, firm and tight here, so it looks good. So I got 2-inch machine screws. I use this to tighten up the outlet with 1.75-inch backsplash. It's tight and nice now. So I gotta do the same thing with those. So this is the original screw that it came with. So I'm gonna replace those with 2-inch machine screws. I got 4 outlets. Once again, if you have enough space, you can use spacers. Since I don't have space for the spacers, so I won't be using those. But if you do, then you can use outlet spacers. I think this is why it's very important to leave at least 7-inch extra wire so that it can work easily like this. And if you have like a backsplash like ours, like a thick backsplash, so that you have enough wire to extend it, you know. So this is good now, so I'll be putting those 2-inch screws back here. It's good. I'll have to tighten it up now. Okay, so this one is nice and tight now. On to the next one. Okay, everything is ready, nice and tight. Now I have to put the covers. All right, so this is how it looks. Day 67. All right, so this is how it looks from the outside. That looks so cool. Okay, it looks much better now with white trims. Love it. So this is the biggest part of the house. It looks good. Looks good. I'm gonna check out all the windows. The seal looks good. Windows look good too. Day 68 to 70 worked on the basement.